This is our heavy-duty magnetic-based digital wireless rear view camera for hitching with a 15-hour battery capacity, SKU 31696. This camera is 100% weather and waterproof. It is perfect for those that don't want to wire anything. Featuring a magnetic base and a 15-hour battery capacity that will have a 300-foot digital wireless range in 1080p when paired to our V3 monitors. This camera will pair with any monitor in our V3 line, letting you mix and match different cameras with different monitor styles. The lens is 1080p with military-grade night vision, which means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. Encased in a heavy-duty metal case, this camera and battery pack are 100% weather and waterproof. This camera comes with everything you need for installation and setup, including a USB-C card charger as well as a home charger. And for the first time, we have integrated a large, easy-to-access button on the face of the battery, indicating to you when you need to recharge. With its powerful magnetic base and a 15-hour battery pack, using this on our V3 system is a cinch. Take it out of the box, make sure it's charged, slap it on the back of the vehicle, pair it to your monitor, and you're off to the races. And yes, you could leave it on while you're driving down the road. Oh yeah, one last thing. For those of you that want to use this for their fleet, remember you can mix and match these cameras. So for example, if you have a semi, right, you can put side cameras on the truck itself, and then these cameras can be slapped on any trailer. So for those line haulers out there